Good morning, children. Welcome to 10th standard social science classes. Food security and nutrition. உணவு பாதுகாப்பு மற்றும் ஊட்டச்சத்து. Economics Unit 3. This is the second part of videos. The previous video, the part 1, we had seen the introduction of this lesson, food security, availability and access to food grains, public distribution systems, National Food Security Act in Tamil Nadu, buffer stock. These topics we had seen in the previous videos. Today we are going to see purchasing power. Purchasing power is the value of currency expressed in terms of the amount of goods or services that one unit of money can buy. Price increase, purchasing power declines, and vice versa. Factor affecting the purchasing power. வாங்கும் திறனை பாதிக்கக்கூடிய காரணிகள். Number 1, overpopulations. The population growth rate in India is high as 1.7% per thousands. The large population leads to increasing demand. Number 2, increasing price of essential goods. Even though there has been a constant growth in GDP and growth of opportunity in Indian economy. Demands of goods. பற்றாக்குறை. When demand for goods increases, the price goods increases. பற்றாக்குறை ஏற்படும்போது விலை அதிகப்படுது. Then the purchasing power is affected. அப்போ வாங்கக்கூடிய திறன் பாதிக்கப்படும். Price of goods affected the value of currency. When the price increase, the purchasing power decrease. விலை ஏறும்போது வாங்கக்கூடிய திறன் குறையுது. Finally, value of currency decreases. Production and supply of goods. The production and supply of goods decline. The price of goods increase. Then the purchasing power is affected. Number 6, poverty and inequality. There exists a huge economic disparity in the Indian economy. The proportion of income and assets owned by top 10% of the Indian goes on increasing. This has lead to an increase in poverty level in the society. Purchasing power priority. A concept related to purchasing power is purchasing price priority, PPP. PPP is an economic theory that estimates the amount that need to be adjusted to the price of an item. PPP can be used to compare country's income level and the other relevant economic data concerning the cost of living. Agricultural policy in India. வேளாண்மை கொள்கை. The new agriculture policy based on export of agricultural goods was announced by central government in 2018. மத்திய அரசினுடைய வேளாண்மை கொள்கை. The policy states that the government has decided to remove the export restriction on most organic and processed agricultural product. Agricultural policy of country is mostly designed by a government for raising an agriculture production and productivity and also for raising. The level of income and the standard of living farmers within a definite time frame. Raising productivity of inputs. Raising number 2, raising value added per hectare. Number 3, protecting the increase of poor farmers. Number 4, modernizing agriculture sector. Number 5, environmental degradation. Number 6, removing bureaucratic obstacles. Multi-dimensional nature of poverty. ஏழ்மையுடைய பல வகைகள். The Multi-Dimensional Poverty Index MPI was launched by the United the Nations Development Program UNDP and the Oxford Poverty Human Development Initiative OPHI in 2010. The basic philosophy and the significance of MPI is that it is based on the idea that poverty is not undimensional and that it is rather multidimensional. Multi-Dimensional Poverty Index 2018 report in Tamil Nadu. Over the last decades, the Tamil Nadu has made a significant progress in the poverty reductions. The districts in Tamil Nadu are classified into 3 categories, namely high poverty districts, more than 40% of the population living in below poverty. The 3-dimensional of poverty. 3-dimensional of poverty. ஏழ்மையுடைய 3 dimensional. Health, education, living standard. Student, look at the picture here. You can get a clear identification, clear idea of the poverty dimensional. Number 1, health, related to nutrition, child morality. Number 2, educations. Look at the chart here. Years of schooling, school attendance. Number 3, living standard, cooking fuel, sanitation, water, electricity, floor, assets. These are all dimensional of poverty. Thank you, student. We will meet the 4th video. Thank you.